role will Cat be playing at the great Psychowit Sleepover?
Cat will play a 1980s stand-up comedian who's very annoying.
I want to be a unicorn.
You can't.
I'm Kat, and this is Jade.
Turn off the camera.
Jade's house is being fumigated for bugs, so she's spending the night here with me.
Yeah. I wish someone would fumigate you. It wasn't a joke.
Okay, when I was little,
Kill me.
I used to love hearing bedtime stories.
I'm gonna vomit.
So, if you have a baby sister, go get them, because Jade and I are going to improvise our very own original bedtime story.
I thought you had a guest room.
We don't. Knock, knock! I love Sesame Street. Sunny.